Relative bearings refers to the bearings taken relative from the bow of the ship by the use of Polaris, but not a compass bearings. Starboard means the side of the ship that is on the right when facing forward. Port means the side of the ship that is on the left when facing forward. Forward means towards the bow of the ship. Aft means towards the stern of the ship. Polaris is a reference instrument for navigation, used to maintain ship bearing at sea. It is a simplified compass, without a directive element. To permit observation of relative bearing, vanes are suitably mounted. Dead ahead is a position directly ahead of the ship, relative bearing of 000 degree. Dead astern, bearing 180 degrees relatively. Bow is the forward part of the ship. Abeam, the direction at right angles to the line of the keel. Quarter is the after part of the ship, on each side of the centerline. When taking observation of relative bearing, points are to be considered, for both sides. These are as follows. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. On the starboard bow. Broad on the starboard bow. Forward of the starboard beam. Abeam. Abaft the starboard beam. Broad on the starboard quarter. On the starboard quarter. On the port bow. Broad on the port bow. Forward of the port beam. Abeam. Abaft the port beam. Broad on the port quarter. On the port quarter. Example of relative bearing. A cargo vessel. Broad on the port bow. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and click the notification bell, for you will be updated, for our next upcoming video.